He's in control. He's
Absolute monster high side for the world champion. Asking too much of the power. Goodness me, that was vicious. Tyres have been cooled down and that hurt.
Get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get the air. He's rolled through the tarmac, run off quite a few times there.
He's at Davizioso. Fire from the side. Down he went. Absolute monster high side for the world champion. Asking too much of the power. Goodness me, that was vicious. Tyres have been cooled down.
Marquez now has
well, I'd Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now
he's rolled through the tarmac, run off quite a few times. Nowhere to get the air. He's rolled through the tarmac, run off quite a few times there. Marc Marquez now has back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and clattered in anyway on the back to the fire from the Ducati. High side. Down he went, won the factory Ducatis, clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get the air. He's rolled through the tarmac, run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here.
A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Family back straight in.
Absolute monster high side for the world champion. Asking too much of the power. Goodness me, that was vicious. Tyres have been cooled down.
Suzuki at the sharp end of this one.
the tarmac run off quite a few times. The tarmac run off quite a few times.
Cruising behind Quartararo. He's just
there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a...
there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a...
Rolled through the tarmac, run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a...
Fabio Quartararo. A shocker.
That was vicious. Tyres have been cooled down and that hurt. Well, he got pinged straight up in the air. He actually landed on his feet and got a face planted, head butted the tarmac.
Goodness me,
you know
that
what?
hurt.
That's just cruising.
They can't give a...
Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for quite a few times there.
Wonder if we might see a red flag.
Marc Marquez now
He's rolled straight into Brooklands from Rossi and rings with Vignale.
Okay, because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get the air. He's rolled through the tarmac, run off quite a few times there.
Brilliant start from Marquez from Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one.
The tarmac now has...
They can't give a...
Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso.
I just wonder if we might see a red
Because
flag.
he looked hurt. Nowhere.
Absolute monster. It is. High side for the world champion.
For you, tell us, when you switched onto the dry bike, you dropped down to 13th. Did you know you had the pace for a podium?
Well, in the first laps were so difficult because, you know, I tried to make the best, but in the first laps I didn't have a good feeling. So difficult to make the tires get really warm. But after I felt...
Bruno, on paper we saw you had the pace to really challenge Mark, but of course the bike change just came too late. Do you almost regret that not coming in earlier?
Well, we know these races are a little bit difficult.
But you came in, you switched earlier than anyone. Tell us, was that in the plan or was a little bit of luck involved?
Honestly, this morning with the hard rear tire, I didn't feel well. For some reason, was I think a strange tire. But this, you know, I lost all the confidence. And when I go out from the box to the grid, I felt something strange with the hard, and I say, put this off.